Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download and insert 3D models in PowerPoint. Simply just open your browser and search Sketchfab. This is the website for 3D models. Few models are paid, but mostly are free. Simply just click on the model you want to download. Here's the option of download 3D model, click on it. Now here's the option of 4K and then download. Now open PowerPoint, go to insert and then 3D models. Now this device. Now insert the 3D model. As you can see, the 3D model has been inserted. So this is how you can download and insert 3D model in PowerPoint. Subscribe the channel for more helpful videos.